In today's video, we're gonna grill some beef kebabs. They are super easy, they're delicious, and I'm gonna share with you a few tricks and tips to making sure that everything stays on the skewer and they come out perfect. This bag right here, I have my sirloin marinating in an awesome beef marinade that I'll also share with you. Now, I like using sirloin for my beef skewers because it's leaner and it's also quite affordable. But you could also just take about any steak and cut it into cubes such as flat iron, strip, or tenderloins, and even a roast. So the possibilities are endless to making beef skewers. You can make your skewers all beef or thread them with some veggies. I've already gone ahead and diced my onions into large chunks. I have some button mushrooms that I'm using through there and some bell peppers that, as you can see, I've also cut into similar size and shaped pieces. And all of this is gonna be threaded through some skewers that have already been soaking for 30 minutes in a sheet pan in water so that they don't burst into flames. To keep this as mess-free as possible with you, I'm going to remove my beef from the bag onto a bowl before I thread it through my skewers. Now my beef pieces, as you can see, they are super seasoned with that marinade, but the rest of the liquid is going to be discarded. So let's thread our beef and some veggies through skewers. You always wanna poke it right through the middle so that everything stays in place better. And then we take our beef pieces and you poke it right through. Now you always wanna pair up similar sized pieces in your skewer. Smaller beef cubes like these are gonna take about 8 or so minutes or up to 10, depending on how well done you like your meat. And large ones are gonna take about 15. I'm gonna make sure to leave a link to this chart for you to compare and learn more so your skewers come out perfect every time. As I assemble each kebab, I place them on my baking pan, which makes it super easy to take them outside, where I have my grill preheating to medium-high heat or about 375 with my lid closed. Let's go grill these. Now, most grills need to be greased a little bit. You can do this with some vegetable or olive oil once the grill is hot. And then you're going to place your kebabs directly on the grill with the lid open. That's because I want to sear the outsides. And then after 5 minutes or so, I'm going to close the lid and let them cook. Halfway through the cooking time, I'm going to flip them over by using some large tongs. You're gonna want to grab them through the middle with the tongs or use a metal spatula to help you lift them off the grill. And then close your lid again and wait the other half of the cooking time for your skewers to be ready. So little by little, I'm removing all of my skewers off the grill onto my baking sheet, cover them in foil, and let's bring them inside. All right, guys, let's check out these grilled beef kebabs. So good. It's got the char marks we love. The meat is delicious, super tender. Get the recipe right below and watch this next video if you're into grilling. See you next time.